Here's problem 3017. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field at point P in the figure if A is equal to 2 centimeters, B is 4.5 centimeters, and I is equal to 5 amps? Again, we're going to use the principle of superposition. In other words, we're going to look at the contributions of each of these rings, 1 and 2, respectively, A and B, if we will. Let's call it A and B. And then add them together. So if we look at the first one, magnetic field due to A, that's going to be mu naught I over 4 pi r times theta for a curved segment like this, which would be mu naught I over 4 pi. Now our radius is A, so we'll just put A there, and our theta is a full circle, so that's 2 pi radians. So with the pi's canceling out, this is going to give us mu naught I over 2A will be the magnetic field due to that first ring. And by the right hand rule, if I were to curl my fingers in the direction of that current, my thumb would be pointing into the page. So this magnetic field is into the page. Alright, if I look at the other ring, B, magnetic field would be mu naught I over 4 pi r times theta. So this would be mu naught I over 4 pi. Now our radius in this one is B, and we still have a 2 pi angle for a full circle. So this is going to be equal to mu naught times I over 2B, because the pi's cancel out. Now if I use the right hand rule on this one, curling my fingers counterclockwise like that, then this magnetic field would be coming out of the page. So these two magnetic fields are in opposite directions, one going into the page, one going out of the page. The first one is bigger than the second because it's a smaller radius, and radius is in the denominator, so that's going to give it a greater magnitude. Another way to think about it is it's a smaller circle and you're closer to the source, so that's going to give you a greater magnitude magnetic field. So A is going to be bigger than B, so our magnetic field at point P is going to be magnetic field A minus magnetic field B. So this is going to be equal to mu naught I over 2A minus mu naught I over 2B, which I could write as mu naught I over 2 times 1 over A minus 1 over B, which would be 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 times the current, which is 5 amps, over 2. A is 2 centimeters, so this can be 1 over 0.02 minus B, which is 4.5 centimeters, so that's going to be 0.045 meters. And so what does that give us when we do all that? We get 8.73 times 10 to the minus 5. So 8.73 times 10 to the minus 5 Tesla is our magnetic field. And since A was bigger than B, it's the one that's going to be dominating. So this will be into the page at point P. So that's our answer. We could write it as 87.3 microtesla into the page at the center of the circle.